for shoes, mittens, and gloves. We have Hedgehog is a revolutionary dryer for shoes, mittens, and gloves. We have all experienced the challenges of wet shoes when jogging, sudden downpours in the city, wet kids coming home from daycare, or drying ski boots after an amazing day in the mountains. This is why we invented the Hedgehog dryer. With a family, keeping things dry and organized can be a big challenge. The easiest way is to get the kids to do it themselves. For city living with limited space, we designed a hanging version that allows you to store and dry items discreetly in your closet or hallway. We also invented tornado mode so you can dry your ski boots during lunchtime. Hedgehog, simply super fast drying.